Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Renee, and some of my favorite desserts to have on Valentine's Day are chocolate-covered strawberries. They're delicious and healthy and really cute, so I decided to share a nail art design inspired by these delicious treats. This design is fun, festive, and super easy to do, so I'm going to show you how I did them. I'm starting off with a base coat and base color. The base color is optional, but I chose to use a pearlescent pink shade. And then I'm going to take a red nail polish and I'm going to start painting the top half or 3/4 of my strawberry. If you'd like to, you can also shape your nails into a more pointed or heart shape, but I was too lazy. So now I'm taking a burgundy shade and I'm using this to paint dots on my strawberry where I plan to paint my seeds. And this is optional as well, but I just feel like it gives a bit more depth to the strawberries. So now I'm taking my yellow and I'm just painting yellow dots right over where I put the dark red dots. And then if you want to make the seeds a little bit more realistic, you can drag the tip of your brush down a bit to give the seeds more of a tear shape like you see on real strawberries. Once I'm done with my seeds, I'm taking a light green color to paint the strawberry leaves. And you can paint these in any direction you want. You can make them kind of spiky and going upward towards your cuticle, or you can paint them like I am, where they're kind of drooping over the side of the strawberry. This part's optional, but I took a dark green color and I'm just kind of creating some shadows around the leaves to give the design more depth and definition. Now for the fun part. I'm taking a dark brown color, and this is going to be my chocolate. I actually mixed a lighter brown color with a tiny bit of black to give this dark chocolate shade. And I'm just coating the tips of my nails so it looks like I dipped the strawberries in chocolate. And for the final touch, I'm using white polish to paint on the white chocolate drizzle that you see on chocolate-covered strawberries. I think this is really what makes chocolate-covered strawberries super cute, so this part is really important. And now our chocolate-covered strawberries are finished. I'm just going to top the design with a quick drying top coat, and if you'd like to be extra fancy, you can use a matte top coat. And this is the finished design. Super easy, really cute, perfect for Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.